So in this video, we're going to learn Nltk library that we use generally in natural language processing. So we'll try to understand what is that Nltk library and what all function present in that basic function that we generally use. So first thing that present in this one is tokenizer. So tokenizer, what is that tokenizer? So tokenizer is nothing that if anything we are splitting it out. Now in this example, I put that there is one sentence. This is a sample. Now if I put that tokenization on this one, so it's going to break. This is a sample. So different list it will store in list and that position will be there 0, 1, 2 and 3. So in short tokenizer we have different type. We have sentence tokenizer. We have word tokenizer. So first suppose in our analysis we have one paragraph. So first thing I need to use that sentence tokenizer. So that's why I'm importing that sentence tokenizer from Nltk tokenizer library. And then I'm passing this paragraph and printing that sentence. So what it's going to do, it's going to print that in list of that. It will hold one line in one place and then other line on the second place. Like this, it's going to break it out. So now we can see that first line, it's going to start and end from here. So we can see that first one ending here and then comma, we will get that and storing that other value. Again, different one and then backslash n. I will explain what is that backslash n. So basically it's after every sentence is displaying one comma and storing on the next position. So backslash n is nothing that is going to denote that new line is there. So see here after used backslash n and then but mostly so we saw that here backslash n and its next line. That's why it's displaying like this one. So if you go and see here, there is no backslash. So reason behind that it's already in the same line and it's broken in that one new line. So once we'll break that paragraph to sentence, now we need to break that sentence to token words. So now I'm importing that word tokenizer and similarly I'm doing passing that paragraph and sentence. Either we can do that first by sentence also or we can do directly from that paragraph. So where I pass that paragraph, then no need to take care of this one. So based on our requirement, we need sentence tokenizer or word tokenizer directly. We can go ahead with that. So now I'm using that paragraph and now it's breaking everything in that one by other words. So we can see it displaying all of them here. So once we do that word tokenizer, the next thing is come that we have to process. So before processing, as we know, few of those things, it's really not going to matter in our analysis. Just like I, me, was, those things not going to affect our analysis. So those words are called stop words that words in any language which don't add much meaning into a sentence. So now to install this from Nltk library, I'm importing that stopwords and then I'm downloading that stopwords. After this, I'm using that English word and try to display from first to 10. So 10 here that words are going to display it here. How so all these are hard coded in this library. That's why it's easy for us while using this library. So they hard coded all those things. So it's just like a dictionary how we use that. So now I need to remove that stopwords. So first thing I'm setting that stopwords which language I need because we can do analysis in different language. So we have to pass that which language stopwords we need. So I'm using it here English word. So I put that English. Then I created that one list with the blank value. I'm doing that loop in that words, whatever we have word tokenizer of that words. And then I'm checking that if it's not in that stopwords, then I'm putting that append of that I'm doing sentence without stopwords. And then finally, what I try to do here, I'm printing that words token, that original word, and then length of that, and then sentence without or words without that stopwords. So we saw that total originally it's 84 length, and now after removing the stopwords, it's come to 51. So we got to know okay, few words are got removed. So that will improve our performance now. So now this one if we done, then second thing came after that. If we need to find that similar words that ing, that suppose that studies are there, we can put that study also, it's going to give us same meaning. No need of using that study, because somewhere study, somewhere studying, somewhere studies, if someone have mentioned, then all of them are different for system. So that's why we need now stemming or lemmatization to convert that words to original form or nearby form, we can say. So when we use stemming, so stemming basically going to remove es, ing, like this. It's going to remove that from that word. But lemmatization, what it will do? It's going to remove. It's not going to remove any words. It's try to find that meaningful words from out of this word, and then it's going to display. If it's not going to find anything different, then it will display the same thing. So here see that studies in stemming, it's saying studies is removed, but in lemmatization, it's displaying a study. It's removed, it's changed that I to Y study, so that it's correct word. So it will try to find it out. So we can see now in example. So I created two example, one with this and other one with that. So now I'm importing that stemming library, and then I'm creating that one object and doing that loop on example first one. So we can see that E is removed, ing is removed, ES is removed, ED is removed, and since there is nothing like this to remove, so it's displaying that correct word in string. Similarly, for the second example, it's removed that already we discussed now. So now next one is lemmatization. So as we know, and now I'm importing that word, and then I'm creating that one object for this, and then I'm doing that loop. So see, generally we saw that it's basically same, it's not changed much. Here also, and we can see here we saw that it's one, two was changed, but studying was same as studying. So it's based on our requirement. We need to understand that when to use stemming and when to use lemmatization. Now next part is that parts of a speech tagging. So parts of a speech tagging is just like that verb, adjective, noun, noun. So those things are there whatever we study in our normal English grammar. So these are the 36 as defined one. So I put it link as well here. So now I created one defined one function where whatever text we will pass that, then first it will convert that to word tokenize, and then it's going to tag it every words. So since we need word tokenizer, because without that we cannot do that, that's why I use that word tokenizer here. And then we saw that how WRB RBBP. So if we go here now at the verb, and now BBP, verb, noun, third form, singular number. So similarly, it's going to display all of them. So I hope you understand that. Thank you.